Somebody once wrote, "Life takes you down many paths, but my favorite ones lead to the beach." So, leave the hustle and bustle of city life behind and head out to one of West Bengal's most beautiful beach resorts. Just about 140 kilometers south of Kolkata, in the South 24 Parganas district of West Bengal, along the National Highway 12, is the seaside town of Bokkali. You have many options to reach the destination. Be it by train to the nearest station Namkhana, frequent bus services from Esplanade in Kolkata, or simply a drive along excellent roads connecting Bokkali to the City of Joy. Your nearest airport would be the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport in Kolkata. Many of you consider Bokkali to be a weekend escape, but this serene beach resort can certainly be your go-to destination throughout the year, be it with your family and friends, or simply alone to spend some quality time with yourself. Walking along the beach, sipping on green coconut water, you will have thousands of red crabs giving you company. Adequate safety measures are in place to take care of the visitors. A visit to Henry's Island is a must. Just about 10 minutes from Bokkali by car, it is also easily accessible via totos and rickshaw vans. The island is typical of the Sundarbans region in terms of plant life. So, you will negotiate canals and mangroves as you walk around. Around 2 kilometers from Bokkali, you come to Fraserganj, named after Scotsman Andrew Fraser, the then Lieutenant Governor of Bengal from 1903 to 1908, who reportedly tried to develop the area into a resort, but failed because the sea would constantly wash away the structures. Even today, you can see the remains of the residence-cum-office which apparently belonged to him. Fishing is a major commercial activity in the vicinity, and you can spend a leisurely day watching the fishermen at work. You can even coax the fishermen to sell some of their catch. While the sunset gives you a mesmerizing experience, back in Bokkali, the beach is getting ready to welcome you with a variety of culinary options, along with an opportunity to buy some beautiful handmade local handicrafts. Your stay in Bokkali will be made all the more enjoyable by West Bengal Tourism Development Corporation's Balu Thought Tourism property. spread across 5 acres of land and a walking distance from the beach. The property has AC rooms and cottages and boasts a lush green lawn, a pond full of fish, and a separate play area for children. The rooms are cozily furnished and well equipped with modern amenities and provide free Wi-Fi throughout your stay. The food is delicious and the overall hospitality will be remembered for long. For visitors traveling in their personal vehicles, the property has ample parking space. For the guests, there are regular folk performances by Lok Proshar Prokolpo artists to showcase Bengal's rich cultural heritage. So, take a few days off and head out to this quiet and not so crowded beach in Bokkali. It surely promises a calming effect on you while you come back fresh and rested.